Welcome to a video by Abron. So this is a Kymograph setup with a stimulator, and this is Myograph of Frogboard. You can see it, Frogboard or Myograph. This you can see on-off switch is on the back, and we are connecting these wires for external signal. Every time this touches, the signal will go from here. Then another thing, drum you can see the adjustment, other video. Stimulator you can see our other video. We are putting it on external so that we can just push it and give a signal. Stand is there. Now I am telling you how to adjust it. Here we can adjust it as per the paper. Paper is there. You can wrap the paper and you can make a line. If you want to make a line, you can use a paper ink pen. Front side you can use an ink pen. Any tip, ink pen tip can be used. And what I just see the close up of this. How to adjust it. This is for clamping on the stand. You can put it clamp, and here we have the screw here. We open this screw. When it reaches you, it comes with opening. Here we have to attach it and then attach it and then tighten it. This arrow is to be put inside this, and then it should be locked tight, and the arrow is to be put here. Here we attach the frog with the pins, and then we can attach one heart or the muscle with this. And whenever there is a movement, this will give you the movement. Here we have the adjustment on the bottom side. You can see the adjustment on the bottom side. Other side can be used if you want to use it without the pin. This is for pin. This screw is for adjustment. You can adjust, and then this one is for adjustment of the angle. See, this angle is being adjusted here. You can adjust as per the requirement so that it reaches the frog muscle or whatever is the experiment you are doing it. You can put it here, you can put it downside, and then again you can adjust. You see this adjustment, you can do it. This can be done with a black carbon, or you can use a paper pen. The front refill, you can take out the refill from any of your pen, and then this front can be cut and put it with the rubber band on this section. The counterweights are for putting the weights, and then this is for checking. This electrode is to be put to the heart, or by touching it so that the muscle contracts or the heart movement is there. This is for frogboard. You can give a signal, and then the signal goes to the frog, and then there is a movement is recorded on the Kymograph. This is the experimental setup. You can do all experiments. Our WhatsApp number is 99922222049, and our email is abron01@gmail.com, and other is info@abronexports.com. Website is abronexports.com. You can subscribe to the channel, see the other videos, all the working videos of these instruments. So you can do the experiments as per your books and study the experiments. Thank you very much.